For my next video, I'm going to make soft yogurt bread, and I have 200 grams of warm water, and I also have 200 grams of milk. I'm going to add it into the water. Then I have 40 grams of sugar. I'm going to add it into the milk and water mixture to mix that. And I will add 8 grams of active dry yeast. Mix them all together, and we're going to bloom this. We're going to ferment the yeast for 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover this with plastic. I'll set this aside and cover it with the plastic. And here on this bowl, I have 700 grams of bread flour. I'm going to sift that. So this is total of 700 grams of bread flour. And I have 10 grams of kosher salt. And I'm going to add the yeast that I bloom. Going to add it into the flour, bread flour. I have 100 grams of yogurt. And 60 grams of vegetable oil. I will need this for 10 minutes. We'll put it on low speed first. Then increase the speed. And scrape the bottom para ma-mix lahat yung nasa ilalim. Okay. Ten minutes. Soft. I'm just gonna slap it. And that one is good. I'm going to put oil into my bowl. And set this for 60 minutes till it double in size. Gonna set this aside, cover with the plastic. Set it aside for 60 minutes. Okay, so I already have here my dough. So nag-doble na siya ng size. I'm going to divide this into 40 grams. Okay, so 40 grams ang gagawin ko dito. I have to put plastic cover para hindi siya mag-dry habang ginagawa ko itong iba. Dinidivide ko ng 40 grams. Okay, now so I'm done dividing the dough into 40 grams each. I'm going to roll into a ball. Going to shape the dough into a ball. So I'm done shaping into a ball, and I will let it rest for, I'll cover it with plastic and I will let it rest for 15 minutes, and then we'll go to the next, and then I'll go to the next step. Alright, after 15 minutes, and then shape na naman natin ng, I will remove the gas, the air, then fold the shape ulit natin ng ball. And shape into a ball and roll into your palm. Okay. So, ito na. Tapos ko ng bilogin ulit. I-flatten at saka bilogin ulit. And then, i-rest natin ng 60 minutes hanggat sa magdoble sila ng size. Ayan. Okay na. Okay na yan. And then, takpan ko ulit ng plastic. Ilagay ko. I-rest natin ng 60 minutes. Ilagay ko dun sa loob ng oven. Kasi mas mainit, pero naka-off yung oven ko. Okay, so after resting for 60 minutes, for an hour, my dough has already doubled in size, and I'm going to put it in the oven. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. But first, before I'm going to the oven, I have to pour my mixture of 200 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of yogurt, and 40 grams of sugar, and 2 whole eggs. I'm going to pour it like this. Cover the dough with this mixture of cream cheese and yogurt. Ito, masarap ito. This is good with the cream cheese and yogurt. Now my oven is ready. Tinatawag na ako ng aking oven. Mainit. Mainit. I'm going to show you kung ano yung aking motor. Okay, so I set it for 20 minutes. Okay, so I have here my I have here my soft yogurt bread just came out from the oven. I'm gonna put it into the wire wrap and transfer it into my wire wrap. Okay, ba? Hindi naman nasunog. So it's hot. Maybe I'm going to get one of that, and we're going to try. Okay, see how soft that is. Malambot siya. Mainit pa. Init. Try natin. Ito yung, ayan, malambot. Nakita nyo? Soft. Sarap na ikape. Okay, mag-try na kayong kita nyo malambot. So, ayan, malambot siya. Okay. Salamat sa panonood ninyo. And please subscribe, like, and share. Subukan nyo nang gumawa ng soft yogurt bread. See you again on my next video.